Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video we will learn how to add unit to cells in Excel. If there is a list of numbers in your worksheet and you want to add a unit to each cell, now I am going to show you some tricks to quickly add unit to the cells. As you can see, I have a list of vegetables in column A, and in column B I have the quantity of each vegetable. So in column C I'm going to add the unit as kg for kilogram. First I am going to use the ampersand symbol, select the blank cell and enter the formula equals to, select the quantity. Now enter the ampersand symbol and in the double inverted commas type kg and press the enter. Now select the formula cell and drag the fill handle down to autofill the formula. Now I am going to use the format cells function. First select the list and right click and select the option format cells. Now in the format cells dialog box, under the number tab, select the option custom and in the type box type 0 and in the double inverted commas type kg and click OK. Now the unit has been added into each cell of the list. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos about Excel. Thank you.